that's a rubber there. I think it pops out. There we go. Awesome. Those two there. 1, 2. But you know what?
The videos, they're like,
Yeah.
I sit there sometimes like, dude, what did that guy just shoot? Oh, one more.
Is there? Yeah.
Where's the clip?
Yeah. Up here. Yeah. Okay. And then go in the back, all the way in the back. Can you feel it? There's a bracket there. Just follow that wire. Feel it? Try using your finger.
Got it. Why would you put this bolt right behind the cable?
I know, they should have routed the cable somewhere else. Got it?
Yep.
Squeeze it out.
I'm not squeezing. Shoot.
Got it? Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 1, 2, 2.
Okay.
Wiggle it, buddy.
The air filter.
Like that?
Yeah, just take it out. Loosen that, pop that one out, pop this one out.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. And that, yeah, get that one out. There we go, good. Try to remove it, yeah. A little bit up over here, there we go. Now try, there we go, it should be better. Bam. Unhook that connector right there. Yeah. Off. Alright, one's off.
Oh, there's a hose clamp to it. Undo that?
No.
Okay.
Okay, just,
Kinda
yeah,
put it
like
off to the
that. There we go. Got it loose?
Yep.
Okay. Pull that hose out right there. Down right there.
This one?
Yeah. Good. Down right there. Good. Right. There, that one.
This one right here.
Okay, you got it out. Okay, good. And then...
Oh, you're fine?
You know.
That's why I love Toyota.
That's right.
Sure work is everybody can attest to it that just these 4, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Use the magnet because that falls through that sort of over. Wiggle it, see if it's loose. Oh yeah, lift up and out. There we go. Yeah, you can.
Wait, why am I taking these out?
Yeah, you could do that. No worries. You could do that.
Was I supposed to do this back?
Yeah, just put it from there. There you go. More space, right?
Yeah, so it doesn't pop up anymore.
You can see us, dude. That guy with the
Yeah, I heard that.
left
I
chair.
heard it. Oh shit. I'm not getting in there.
Try the other way.
This one is kind of harder. There you go.
Got it?
And then these are 10s. Oh, sorry. I slipped. I kicked her. I don't know where I hit her. Is she okay?
She's okay. Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
This one, right? The swivel.
The swivel?
You want to do this one first or take it out first? Why don't you take it out first?
Take out the ratchet first.
Hey, come on.
It's good because that one has a magnet inside.
Yeah.
You got it?
Money.
See that? Easy.
Now I understand why labor costs so much.
Oh, dude, look at that. And then this one, shoot, slap on the anti-seize. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, there you go. That's good, yeah.
Give me, man.
There you go.
Say, sucks being fat, bro. Oh.
Yeah, wipe away. Take this one out like that. Okay, go for it, bro. Got it? Alright. This is just almost like a tutorial. It's just showing you. Oh, wait.
Wait, what?
This one. Look.
Hey!
That one.
Oh, there's the engine thing right there.
Yeah, there. You're right. 2GR-FE. Yep. All right, guys. That is how you do it. Whew. Fix it, Nate.
My nice assistants.